Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about increment method. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the function in here. We know that when we move a little bit about s, for example, a small s, that's e about delta s. So this one you will have another delta y. This is about from epsilon delta in here. Definition of limit. So when we change a little bit of s, we will change a little bit of delta y. So this one about s, we have s plus delta s. Now we have y, so I will put y go to the right. About y, we know that this is about this one. Now we need to change y into e to the power over of s over s. Next, we divide both sides by delta s. So we put the limit for the both sides. So I will concentrate on this one only. Now we do common denominator. So this one that should be like this. This one we need to multiply by s minus this one we need to multiply by this one in here. Now we need to expand this one. Next, this one in here, we can put like this. So we see that se to the power of s, se to the power of s, we can do about factorization. Now, about delta S, we put this one go to numerator for this one in here. So we have like this. Delta S divided by delta S, and now we just have e to the power of S. Now we have the formula in here. When S approaches to number 0, this one equals to a to the power of S. Oh, sorry, f and 8. We can apply the formula for this one in here. And now we can put number 0 for this one cone here too. So if we simplify and we have like this. F and E, that is about number 1. And now we can put like this. We do about factorization by e to the power of s. This one we simplify and we have s squared. And that is the final answer of the question in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.